Hello friends, welcome to Onurag's Basic Computer, Fundamental of Computer for class 10, both English and Bengali medium. Today we learn about Microsoft Windows, class number 6. For any query, please WhatsApp in this number. Microsoft Windows NT new technology. A version of Windows NT was introduced in July 1993 and made specifically for businesses. It offers better control over workstation capabilities to help network administrators. Features: it is based on high-level language. It is able to run on DOS, Windows 3 and Win32 applications. It has a 32-bit Windows application. It provides higher stability and security. Windows 95. It is a graphical user interface based operating system. It was released on 24th August 1995 by Microsoft. Features: it is a mix of 16-bit and 32-bit Windows operating system. It is consumer oriented. গ্রাহক ভোক্তা এটা. It supports FAT32 file system, multi-display web TV and the Internet Explorer. Windows 98. It was developed in 1998. It was produced in two main version. দুটি মেইন ভার্সনের উপর এটি তৈরি করা হয়েছিল. The first Windows 98 version was plagued with programming errors, but the Windows 98 second edition came out later was much better with many errors resolved. প্রচুর ভুলভ্রান্তি থাকা সত্ত্বেও এটিকে চেঞ্জ করা হয়েছিল. Features: it supports Internet Explorer 4.0.1. Windows 98 was the first operating system to use the Windows Driver Model (WDM). It includes a FAT32 converter utility for converting FAT16 drivers to FAT32 without formatting the partition. It also supports many peripheral devices, USB, DVD, etc. Windows ME Millennium Edition launched in June 2000, but it has been historically plagued with programming errors which may be frustrating for home users. Features: it is designed for single CPU. এটি একটি CPU এর জন্য তৈরি করা হয়েছিল. The minimum internal storage is 64 MB and maximum 4 GB. Minimum 64 MB এবং maximum 4 GB. It introduced multilingual user interface (MUI). Windows XP. It is an OS produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers. Microsoft released Windows XP on 25th October 2001. Some versions of Windows XP are as follows. Windows XP Home Edition is a variant made for home users. Windows XP Professional is made for business users. এটি ভার্সন হবে ভেরিয়াস, ভুল বললাম, এটা ভার্সন হবে এটি. It has various users with independent profile. It has 3.75 GB free space on the hard disk, and that's the total size of the This is 19.5 GB. At least 64 MB of RAM internal storage. It provides 1.5 GB for available space on the hard disk. এটি 1.5 GB available space hard disk provide করে. It includes video adapter and monitor with Super VGA or high resolution. VGA full form হচ্ছে Visual Graphics Array. Visual Graphics Array. ARRAY array. It supports sound cards, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM drive, speakers or headphones. Windows Vista. It is an operating system developed by Microsoft. এটি মাইক্রোসফট দ্বারা ডেভেলপ করা হয়েছিল for use on personal computers including home and business desktop. এটি বাড়ি এবং ব্যবসার ক্ষেত্রে ডেস্কটপ, ল্যাপটপ, ট্যাবলেট, PCs and media center PCs. It was released worldwide on 30th January 2007. এটি ওয়ার্ল্ডওয়াইড 30 জানুয়ারি 2007 করা হয়েছিল. It can be installed Pentium 4, higher 512 MB RAM, 32 MB video card and 40 GB hard disk only. It enhances the features of the visual style. Windows 7. It is an OS released by Microsoft on 22nd October 2009. It is an upgrade of Windows XP and Vista. It does not include some standard applications like Windows Movie Maker, Windows Mail, etc. Features. It supports 64-bit processor. এটি 64-bit কম্পিউটার প্রসেসর সাপোর্ট করে. It provides touch, speech, handwriting recognition. এটি টাচ, স্পিচ এবং হ্যান্ডরাইটিং রেকগনিশন সাপোর্ট করে. It supports a playback of media in MP4. এটি MP4 ফরম্যাটে সাপোর্ট করে মিডিয়া, প্লেব্যাক মিডিয়া. It includes Windows Biometric Framework. এটি উইন্ডোজের বায়োমেট্রিক ফ্রেমওয়ার্কে কাজ করে. It provides multiple firewall. এটি মাল্টিপল ফায়ারওয়াল প্রোভাইড করে. ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট, সাবস্ক্রাইব এবং শেয়ার করো. থ্যাংক ইউ.